Hello students, welcome back to Math with us. In this video we are going to learn how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. I have taken few examples here of improper fraction. First example is 15 over 4. So here we have to divide this 15 by 4. So 4 times 3 is we get 12. And we get here remainder as 3. So in order to convert this improper fraction to a mixed number, the idea is that we have to write this quotient as whole number, remainder will become numerator, and the denominator will remain as it is. So in this way we have to convert improper fraction to mixed numbers. Now let us take few more examples. Now here 35 over 7. So if we divide 35 by 7, 7 times 5 is 35. So we don't have any remainder here. So if we don't have any remainder, then it will have whole number. Now let us move to the third example. Here we will divide, we have been given 41 over 8. So we will divide 41 by 8. So 8 times 5 is 40. So we have been left 1 as remainder. So this 5, quotient 5 will become the whole number. This 1 will be the numerator and this denominator will remain as it is. Let us move to the another example. The fourth example is 21 over 9. Now here also we will divide this 21 by 9. We get here 9 times 2 is 18. So we get here 3 as remainder. So this quotient 2 will become whole number. Then this 3 will be the numerator and denominator will be as it is. So in this way we can convert any improper fraction to mixed number. I hope this video is useful to you. Please like and share the video and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.